Number 4, we have a 10-gram rubber bullet fired horizontally at a 5 kilogram stationary block on a frictionless table. And we're given the velocity of the block. We want to find the velocity of the block if the bullet bounces back. So let's draw a quick picture here. There's our block. We'll call it the W. Here's our bullet. We'll call it B. Okay, the bullet is 10 grams and the block is 5 kilograms. This has got 500 meters per second. This is 0. And afterwards, got to the right. Afterwards, change colors. We're coming out at bounces back, so 200 meters per second. And the velocity of the wood after the collision. Alright, so this is some sort of situation between perfectly elastic, perfectly inelastic. We can use conservation of momentum to look at this. So we can say the velocity of the bullet times the mass of the bullet plus the velocity, mass of the wood, velocity of the wood before the collision, mass of the bullet, velocity of the bullet after, mass of the wood, velocity of the wood after. There's no external forces. Our system is the bullet and the wood, and we've got a frictionless table, so that lets us say there's no external forces in the horizontal direction. Alright, so the velocity of the wood before the collision is 0. We are looking for the velocity of the block, or the velocity of the wood afterwards. Alright, so we'll divide through by the mass, and we'll solve this equation for the velocity of the wood. We'll work it that way. Okay, so it's going to be the mass of the bullet, the velocity of the bullet, minus the mass of the bullet times the velocity of the bullet after, divided by the mass of the wood. Okay, double check my algebra here. Looks correct. Okay, plug in some numbers. 10 kilograms, and factor out that 0.01 is the mass of the bullet. Okay, velocity of the bullet before is 500. The velocity of the bullet after is so it's minus 200. We're using this direction as positive. Okay, over the mass of the wood, 5. Alright, so this is kilograms, this is kilograms, so that'll cancel out, and so my velocity will be in units of this velocity, which is meters per second. So it looks like I have 700 times 0.01, which is 7, divided by 5, which is 1.4 meters per second. Okay, that's the velocity of the wood after the bullet bounces back.